Lamella, why you elbow Martial?
Now wetin coach tell me say make I do now? He tell me say make I try frustrate some Man U players. Now he make me elbow Martial. And as the guy can't touch me small for face, I just fall like saying I die I did. You know say na the way now.
Kobala, why they disturb my guy? Lamella, come on for here, go wait for me for Mami Wobi restaurant.
Okay sir.
You go chop nkwobi today, tire.
Nice one coach. Now you try pass.
Oga Mourinho, how you dey do you for body now as you don't flog frustration enter Man U?
Chai! Oh boy, I no even fit start to dey explain the way this thing they take sweet me for body. Shebi then get mind sack me. Now, I don't show them say, na them get problem, no be me.
But you know say the ref supposed give Lamella a red card as him take give Martial.
For where? No talk that kind thing come my side though. When VAR been do me strong thing, where referee dey? Even self, VAR don dey help Man U since. E good self as ref do them this one, so that them go know as they take pain for body.
But the problem be say them not even check VAR.
VAR oh, abi no VAR oh, e no consign me. Ojoro na ojoro, and na me chop and pass self. Where that stupid boy there? Kubala, you don't see Lamella?
I see him. He go that side.
Where it is say they go?
See, old man, come out for my front before I go brush you now.
For where? You go brush me today be that nah? Because me I know they go anywhere.
I beg, make una calm down.
Which one be make una calm down? You know see wetin that mumu boy do me for pitch? The guy elbow me.
You no slap am back.
Why na me ref can't give red card?
See jump question no. I be ref.
That one no consign me oh. Lamella cause ref give me red card.
Come out for here, Joe. Lamella no do anything.
No problem. Shebi still there for this England. I go catch am. If I beat and finish ba, him go know say I be red devil. As for you, Mourinho, you ba, I go run you street for this England.
Which street you want run? You get street? Then burn your father well.
No problem. We go see now.
Wait till not since una play for that match. Them swear ne?
Coachy, calm down now. You know say ref do us ojoro.
You say waiting.
Ref do us ojoro now.
Say, now he make you play nonsense for defense, bear? Get punished devil today. Come here.
Coachy, I beg now.
Shut up there.
Oh, Coachy, don't be my yash.
I never even stat. How much them bear yourself?
80 million, sir.
Chai! I swear you be waste of money. Come into black free cake. You know fit.
But Coachy, I be skepo na.
I don't know. Come out for my friend, yeah? Meme Skipel. Ballet, you. Waiting do you ne? Where you pass that careless bell?
See, Kochi, after the ref does that thing, the thing just tire me.
So, now he make you pass that careless bell, bear?
Kochi, I beg, sorry now. Just take I'm suffering.
Sorry for yourself.
Kochi, I beg.
Because of it, first now get the tech, Ella out, Ella on the wheel, Ella this, Ella that.
Kochi, take a beg, you know, I beg, pity me.
Yeah, Pepe. Get out of here, careless bear. You there, like share. Where the other defender there, Seth?
Which one?
When Bezeke?
In the height for toilet.
Get punished that bear. You, come here.
Coach, I beg, tamper justice with mercy.
No. I prefer spare the red and spare the child. Why all my defenders not get sense?
Coach, I beg, now because we did one man down.
Why you gonna come to play like say on a day 10 men down?
Coach, I beg.
Because of that, some of our fans done paired goal leads. I go fire 11 before man you go fire me. Foolish incompetent bears.
If this video make you laugh,
And you know say your mama born you well.
and you know say your mama born you well, just press that like button.
Which one be just press? Scatter that button, Joe. If your faith safe, destroy that thing. Who press help? You be Elvis Presley. I been a woman bless you one place.
See, sorry, it don't do you. Oh. I no come fight for here. Una don't hear am ba? Because me I no get time for this guy now.